What's going on, guys? It's the Honda Baron, and in today's video, as you maybe already noticed, it's a little bit different. I don't have my I'm not starting off with my same, what I discovered to be long-winded intro. I am going to talk about, or kind of, I guess, ruminate whether or not my videos are too long. And already, right off the bat, guys, let me know in the comments below if you think my videos are too long. I think most of them are at least like 8 or 10 minutes long, which to me is fine. I love making the videos. I mean, I guess that's what I'm in YouTube, what I'm making these videos for, right? I'm making them for me, but I know they do help a lot of you guys out. So I want to improve the videos for you as well. I want to improve the watching experience for you guys, as well as maybe make things easier or just a little bit different for me. So instead of my classic intro, thought I'd start off on the bike. That seems to be what everybody is doing. So I think that's what we're gonna start out with right now. Lemonville Road. I've actually never been to the left here, so let's go see what's down here. So what I noticed was, I was going through my YouTube analytics there, kind of tells you a lot of the details about people watching your videos, like how they found the videos, where your videos are showing up on YouTube or online. And one of the main analytics there was watch time. And most of you guys are watching about 50 to 60% of my videos. So my watch time is like 6 or 7 minutes on average per video, which I think is pretty good. I mean, I'm happy with that. It also says that 40% of you, so almost half of you guys, are leaving before half the video is over. Now I know the videos aren't relevant for everybody. Thinking the first thing that jumped out to me was, all right, maybe these videos are too long. And if I could get that if I get the video length down and keep the same watch time, then maybe you guys, okay, maybe you guys would be watching more of the videos if they were shorter length. Okay, this went nowhere. So what I mean is, basically, if the videos are 5, 6, or 7 minutes long, and you guys are watching 5, 6, or 7 minutes of my videos, more of the video will get watched as opposed to just half or 60%. Again, which I'm totally okay with. Maybe I'm rambling on too long in my videos, or maybe there's just a lot of pointless information. I know some of my intros are like 2 minutes where I'm not even riding. So how is that fun if you're going to watch a motovlog and the first minute or two of the video, the buddy isn't even riding, right? So that's why I decided today to start off on the bike. Like I said at the beginning, guys, please let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are. Are my videos too long? Are they helpful enough? Is there anything else I could do differently to improve your watching experience? I'd love to know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And so that's the goal with this video and my next videos, is I'm going to try to keep them a bit shorter, say within the 4 to 6 minute range, maybe cut out the rambling, maybe edit them a little bit differently so I'm not just repeating a lot of the information. I don't know, I'm going to have to go back through the videos and see what I can do differently, see how I can improve the content, because even though I'm having a good time making these videos, if the people watching them aren't having a good time, then that kind of defeats the whole purpose of YouTube, right? And defeats the whole purpose of a motovlog. So that's it, guys. That's the topic of today's video. I think I just about covered everything. I would love to hear your thoughts about my video length, and if there's anything else I can do to improve the video. I'm going to be making another video right after this about a different topic, just obviously trying to keep it a little bit shorter. So we'll see how that goes. I'll be uploading this later today, and I would love to hear your guys' thoughts. I know there are like a lot of see, I'm just rambling anyway. Let me just finish that train of thought and then I'll end the video. So I know there are a lot of motovloggers out there with like 10, 15, 20 minute videos. At the same time, I don't know if I'm creating or covering the kind of same topics or content that would require a video of that length. I think a lot of what I cover, I can kind of, oh, this light is going to take forever. Probably not even going to change. A lot of the content I cover, I could probably do in a little bit less time. That's all I got for you guys today. Please let me know. Are my videos too long? How could they be better? I'm open to any suggestions and criticism. So just let me know in the comments. Trust me, you won't hurt my feelings. As always, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you liked the video, and click on subscribe to stay updated with future videos. I appreciate you all, and we'll see you in the next video.